here's my language, and I could now go and insert rows using my some of these things here, allow me to insert rows and do all that sort of thing. But again, I like to use my SQL statements. So I'm going to go back to here now. I've got all the data already, and I want to export this and insert it into my database. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. I'm going to export this now, and I'm not going to export HTML. Oh no, hang on, that's wrong then. I'm going to go File, Save As, sorry, and I'm going to change it here to type text, comma, separated values. Okay, and I'm going to save that. I'll replace the existing one. Only the active sheet was saved. Well, this is saving it as purely a text file. It's very hard in the text file to have all the other special features that you have, so you do lose some data. The data we've lost in this stage is the second sheet, which didn't have anything on it for this exercise anyway. So here's that, and I'm going to open this now in a text editor, like text edit. And now we see why it's great to have all of this stuff, because, okay, we'll delete these few bits in here. What has it done for us? It's created the data for our table. So I should, and I'm just going to test it out with one of these, be very, very easy now for me to type up an insert statement. Insert into students values bracket. And that should almost work. I don't think the date will work, so I'm going to put the date inside quotes because I'm fairly sure that's right. Okay, so this is a string. This is a string. This is the house. Oh, I'm going to have a problem with this though, because I enumerated my type as male and female, and over here I've got F and M, which is not ideal. But what I'll do is I'll just change this one to female for now, copy and paste this, just check that this is going to work for me. Oh. Got logged out, look. Let's go again. Cannot log into the MySQL server. That's bad luck. That's because they're updating the server right now. So we'll leave that, pop back to here. Okay, so what I need to do very, very quickly is I need to change all of the F's to female. Copy that. Paste, 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 paste. Change all of the M's to male. I wonder why this one is asking me for these questions and the other one didn't. Yes. Okay, just save that again, and I will save as again. Oh, save it as a CSV file. Replace it. And the active sheet was saved. File. Just for my benefit now, I'm going to resave this as a OpenOffice Calc file as well. Open document format spreadsheet. Save. So I want the updated version. Okay, come back to here. I'm going to shut this one down. Don't save that one. File. Open. Open. Right. So here I have my table again starting off, and now I'm going to have my gender is going to be correct and is going to fit in with my enumerated types. So I'm going to very quickly now do that again. Insert into students values, bracket on there, and a bracket and a semicolon on the end, and that should work. So I'm going to copy those last two characters, paste them on the end of every row just by clicking down here. Some of the modern editors, text editors, allow you to do things in columns, which is quite useful, but we're just really just trying to put something in the start and the end. You could be very, very, very clever with your substitutions and your find and replace, if you know how to do start of line and end of line, you could just run that. But in this case, we are only talking 17. It's not worth me trying to remember how to do that, because we've only got 17 rows. It's just as easy for me to go along and stick this at the beginning of each line, like that. And I'm just hitting this and going paste, using my key combinations for paste. Now I should just be able to take all that, copy it, and let's see if our server is back again. No, so I'll have to record this bit later. Great, thanks.